had a parcel from Modelones. I didn't expect it. It came as a surprise, and there's a bag full of goodies there. And what have we got here? Oh, it's all for summer, for Halloween, and all the little little stickers on there. These lights are good, these LED lights, but they don't all shine in their own place. And there is a box of foils, so I'll just bring you down. Where are we now? Bring down, that's better. The foils, wow. On the different ones for putting on your nails. It's the open there. Oh yeah. There they are. Oh, they're very unusual, as you can see. Wow, all different sorts of little things. Because I don't normally do Christmas or Halloween or anything like that. I mean, my main thing was wedding nails, as those that follow me know. So, let's tip this out and see what's inside. Wow. Oops. One got away. Okay. I'll have to come out again a little bit. Get all this in. Oh, I've got dipping powders. So I've got 1, 3, 2 and 4. So yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3 and 4 of those. We'll have a quick go of that. And the dipping powders, that's like a maroon. And then I've got burgundy. And that looks like a black. And a white. Oh, and a gold as well. Just put these down because I can't hold them. And there is an orange. Oh, and there's a glitter, like a burgundy glitter on that one. Oh, I haven't finished. And then there's like aqua colour on that one. So there's 2, 4, 6. There's 8 of those. I've got a lovely little dusty thing. Getting dust off your nails. Let's do the easy ones. Oh, and there's a cleanser as well for when you've done the dipping powders. And what have we got in here? Let's have a look. Oh, we have tweezers with a cover on there, so keep them safe in there. So that's that one. What else have we got? See what's in here. Oh, this looks like a gel. Yes, it's a gel brush. Yeah, on that one. Oh, I won't put it back in there now. I'll put it back in there. Right, so that's them. And what have we here? Oh, the glitter gel. I suppose these have got covers. Yeah, so I shall have to get the covers off there to try those. So it doesn't say luminous. Oh right, yeah, luminous. Soak off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 6 of those. Then there's a file, 100, 180 on there. And then we come to these, which I don't know what these are either. Which are Oh, these are polygel. And I suppose there's a cover on there as well, yeah. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 of those. So that's what's in the box. So I'll get all these tops off and stuff and I'll be back. So in this little cup I have put the cleanser. So we will get started, and I'm going to do what Nikki does. I'm going to put it in these poppets because they're reusable. Saves keep using ordinary false nails and then throwing them away. So I thought, well, I do what Nikki does. Good idea she come up with. Really good idea. Wow. This is pumpkin, if you like. It really is. So I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds and then I'll come back and I'll run through the other colours that I've got as well. So I'll be back. So the one I've just used, they don't come with colours. It looks as if they go by number. And this one that you just seen was number 4. This one here is number 6. So what I'll do now, I'll do them through and I won't talk anymore and just show you the colours. So, right, I'll tell you the colours now. So this green one, which is that one, is number 5. So that one is number 5. This blue one, as I go and touch that, which is that one. And this one is number 2. And this one, which is this one, is that one, and that one is number 3, and that one, this one, which is, they're beautiful, they shine lovely, like I say, for Halloween. They're so unusual. And this one is, that looks like number 1, so that one, this one, which is that one, beautiful, and that is number 6, and this one, which was that one, is number 4. So I'm going to put all the lids back on. Like I say, the gel is lovely. Love using the poppets. Good idea, Nick. Very good. So I'll clear this up and I'll come back with the others. So these are the polygel, and these again come in numbers, as you can see on the top. So I'm going to get my poppets again and my residue wipe off, and we'll see how these go. So all these change colour. So when I put that in the LED, that went purple. But that's the colour that it was when I put it on. Well, pretty much. So that's that one. And I'll just, what's it with this one? As you can see with that, that was a lighter green. Now it's gone darker on that one, and I just put that one under. It's marvellous how these do this. That's come out now as a very deep orange, and as that goes cooler, it goes very pale. I'll put those there, you can see them changing now. So the next one, I'll just put that under to warm it up. This one will happen on your nails, obviously. And look at that. That's gone a dark blue, and as you can see, it's going back to pink before your very eyes. The last one, I'll put that one under. Just to see what happens with that. Oh wow, that's come out a very deep burgundy. And as you can see, it's just beginning to go very pale. Marvellous how they do this. Really, really, they are. So, that's them. If you want your Halloween, your nails to change colour, I'll just bring them down. See, they're all beginning to go back to the original now. So, I'll just get rid of this and then I'll be back. Well, that's what I can show. Like I say, I can't actually do it because I've got no glue stuff for it, but I've explained what you do. And all the other things, I'd like to thank Modelones for sending me these to try. And, you know, if you want to do Halloween this time and enjoy having all these different things, just go onto the website and you'll find loads on there, all reasonably priced and good quality. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully see you in my next. Bye!